Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 7th. Today's topic is algebraic expressions and operations on them. We will solve practice set 32. So let's begin. Today's topic is algebraic expressions and operations on them. Let us see one table. In this table, 3 columns are there. In first column, terms, it means some examples are given and we have to identify coefficient and variables. Let us take some examples. First example is 11mn. In this term 11, this number is called coefficient and letters m and n are called variables. So in the column of coefficient we write 11 and in the column of variables we write mn. Now take second example, negative 9x square y cube. In this example, negative 9 is integer negative 9 is a coefficient and variables are x square y cube. Next example, 5 upon 6p. 5 upon 6 is coefficient and variable is p. Last example, a. Here number is not seen, but then also if only letter is there, we have to consider coefficient is 1 and this letter a is a variable. Next point is like terms and unlike terms. Point number 1, terms which have the same variable with the same powers are called like terms. Terms which have a same variable with the same powers are called like terms. For example, 2x, 5x, negative 2 upon 3x. If you observe these examples, these terms, each term has a letter x is a variable. Here is x, here is x, here is also x. Therefore, we can say these terms are like terms. Take another example, negative x square y, 6 upon 7 y x square. In this term, x square y is a variable and here y x square is variable. Though sequence is changed, but the variables are same with the same power. Hence, these terms are also example of like terms, or this second example is also a example of like terms. Now we will learn types of algebraic expressions. We have to see types of algebraic expressions. I will write some examples. First example, I am writing 4x, 5 by 6m, negative 7. Second example, I am writing 2l plus 2b, 2x minus 3y. Next one is a plus b plus c. Next example, x square minus 5x plus 6, and here a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab minus b cube. If you see first group of algebraic expressions, it has only one term, 4x. It's only a single term. 5 by 6, it is also a single term, or negative 7. All these terms are single terms. Therefore, if an expression with one term is called monomials, expressions with single term is called monomials. Now in this group of expressions, algebraic expressions, if you see first example 2l plus 2b, here is one term and this is second term. These two terms are separate. In this example also 2x minus 3y, 2x and minus 3y, these terms are separate. Here two terms, here two terms. If expression with two terms, it is called binomials. Now let us take this example, a plus b plus c. Here three terms are there, here also three terms are there. If in the given algebraic expressions there will be three terms, then it is called trinomials. And if the algebraic expressions have more than three terms, here 1, 2, 3, 4. If more than three terms, then it is called polynomials. Monomials with the single term, binomials two terms, trinomials three terms, and polynomials more than three terms. It may be four terms, five terms, and so on. Let us solve practice set 32. Question number 1. Classify the following algebraic expressions as monomials, binomials, trinomials or polynomials. First example, 7x. As we have learned, algebraic expression with a single term, it is called monomials. Therefore 7x, it comes in the category of monomials. So write down answer, monomials. Second example, 5y minus 7z. This algebraic expression has two terms, hence answer is 5y minus 7z is a binomials. Number 3, 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11. 1, 2, 3. Three terms, trinomials. Number 4, 1 minus 8a minus 7a square minus 7a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four terms, polynomials. Fifth example, 5m minus 3. In this algebraic expression, two terms are there, hence it is binomials. Sixth, a single letter a, monomials. Seventh, number 4. It's also a single term, it is a monomials. And last example, 3y square minus 7y plus 5. This algebraic expression has 1, 2, 3. Three terms, hence it is trinomials. That's all for this video. If you are visiting our channel first time, please subscribe to our channel as it's totally free, and press bell icon. Like and share this video. And finally, thanks for watching and supporting. God bless you all.